Want a showroom quality finish without scratching your paint or damaging delicate surfaces? In this video, we're counting down the best car detailing brushes for every cleaning task, from air vents and dashboards to wheels, grills, and tight crevices. Every pick combines durability, soft bristles, and precision cleaning so you can detail like a pro. Stay tuned for our top picks and check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Number 1 is the Proper Premium Car Detailing Brush Set. It delivers professional-grade performance in a refined 3-piece collection. Crafted with soft boar hair bristles, each brush is designed to clean thoroughly without risking scratches on delicate surfaces like leather, emblems, air vents, and wheels. Comfortable ergonomic handles minimize strain during lengthy detailing sessions, while the high-quality bristles retain their shape and softness even after repeated washing. The only notable limitation is the smaller variety compared to larger competing kits. However, what it lacks in quantity it compensates with exceptional bristle quality. For detailers who refuse to compromise on precision and surface protection, the Proper Premium Set stands confidently at number 1. Number 2 is the SPTA Car Detailing Brush Set. It delivers impressive everyday versatility through a well-rounded 5-piece collection. Mixed hair bristles strike a smart balance between gentle surface protection and effective cleaning power, making these brushes adaptable across multiple detailing scenarios. Interior panels, exterior trim, emblems, wheels, and air vents all fall within this kit's capable range. Soft bristles reliably guard leather, painted surfaces, and plastic trim against unwanted scratches during routine use. Unlike oversized kits, the SPTA avoids unnecessary redundancy while still covering the most common detailing needs. The trade-off is reduced specialization due to the mixed bristle design. For practical, general-purpose detailing without overcomplicating your toolkit, the SPTA set is a dependable everyday choice. Number 3 is the HMPLL 10-piece car detailing brush set, an impressive all-in-one solution for car enthusiasts. The kit bundles 5 boar hair brushes, 3 wire brushes, and 2 air vent brushes, addressing everything from delicate leather interiors to grimy engine bays and wheel wells. Boar hair bristles are gentle enough to protect sensitive surfaces, while wire brushes power through stubborn buildup in hard-to-reach spots. Everything stores neatly in an included carrying case. Minor bristle shedding is worth noting, though a quick rinse keeps them performing well. For total brush versatility in a single purchase, the HMPLL set delivers outstanding value. Number 4 is the TTRCB 27-piece car detailing brush set. It is a powerhouse collection built for those who want every tool imaginable in one package. Standout additions include drill brush attachments, bringing power tool convenience to deep cleaning tasks. The set spans wire, nylon, and natural bristle options across multiple sizes, tackling everything from tiny emblems to broad body panels. Specialized wheel brushes navigate tight spaces between spokes and under rim lips with ease. Both beginners and seasoned detailers will appreciate having the perfect brush for every situation. The downside is occasional redundancy across 27 pieces. Regardless, for maximum versatility and variety, the TTRCB set is an unbeatable comprehensive choice. Number 5 is the MVEQRRN 6-piece car detailing brush set, a standout option for those prioritizing gentle surface care. The kit features 2 boar hair brushes, 2 ultra-soft air vent brushes, and 2 versatile detail brushes spanning multiple size ranges. Ultra-soft bristles make these brushes particularly ideal for leather seats and other scratch-sensitive surfaces. Boar hair construction naturally minimizes shedding, keeping maintenance simple during regular use. Ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during longer detailing sessions. The primary drawback is limited online reviews, making user feedback harder to gauge. Nevertheless, for car owners who treat leather interiors with extra care, the MVEQRRN set is a premium, reliable investment. Number 6 is the MVEQRRN 5-piece car detailing brush set. It takes a quality over quantity approach that discerning detailers will appreciate. This premium collection centers on carefully selected natural boar hair bristles, each chosen for exceptional softness, durability, and long-term performance. The ultra-soft rating makes these brushes particularly well-suited for painted surfaces and leather interiors where scratch prevention is critical. A dedicated duster brush handles air vents and confined spaces with impressive precision. Natural bristles resist shedding reliably, promising years of consistent results. The limited 4-brush variety is a reasonable trade-off for the superior bristle craftsmanship offered. For detailers who value lasting quality over sheer numbers, the MVEQRRN 5-piece is a worthy investment. And that's a wrap on the best car detailing brushes. Whether you're tackling grimy wheels, dusty vents, or tight crevices, the right brush makes all the difference between a good clean and a showroom finish. Check the links in the description box below for the latest deals and pricing. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more detailing tips, and comment below which brush are you trying first.